Greetings and welcome back to my channel. I am at Gas Pump Ranch this morning. As you can see, the winds are kicking up. This has been a real problem in Southern California, as most of you know, with the heavy fires going on south of here. I hope you can hear me okay with the wind. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull one pump out of here, haul it up to the garage and work on it today. There are many project pumps back here. Some are just for parts. Some are definitely worth saving and restoring.
Make sure you watch the entire video because at the end we're going to revisit Lauren at Gas Pump Garage in Kansas. Due to a couple of past requests, I pulled out a 1954 Tokai Model 39 gas pump to work on today. I'm going to use a 3000 psi gas-powered pressure washer to try to blast off this latex paint and reveal the red paint underneath.
Coming off real nice, as you can see. The way to go. No harsh strippers, no sanding, no steel wool, no easy off oven cleaner. This is the way to go. And slipping right off beautifully with this pressure washer. Beautiful original chevron decals. Actually, two decals that we're looking at right here. That stands for standard oil product. So gasoline is standard oil product. All right, it's turning out pretty nice so far. I'm going to open it up so I can clean the inside. There's a latch in here that lowers the door. The doors usually lift right out. As you can see, I like to keep all the internals intact. I'm going to remove the faceplate. Sometimes we find rats' nests in these computers back here. Hopefully this one doesn't have a rat's nest. Oh my goodness! There's some kind of ammo in this pump. Somebody stashed ammunition in here behind the faceplate next to the calculator. It looks like it's wired up in there. You know, I've always wanted to find something in a pump. This is pretty cool. I always thought it'd be fun to find like some attendant's money hidden in there or something. But check this out. Now, I don't know much about ammo. Can anybody identify these? What caliber they might be out of? What were they shot out of? What kind of gun? That's kind of a bonus. If these pumps could only talk, I bet they could tell us some stories. I'm going to untie those and pull them out of there. All right, it's pretty cool. Bonus gift. Tokheim 39 has a factory rebuilt computer in it, Vita-root computer, which is a plus for me because it seems to be in pretty nice condition. I sprayed PB Blaster in between the wheels where they rotate the gears, and it turns over. It resets nicely without doing a bunch of work. The only downfall of this is it doesn't have a bell. I like when they have a bell and you could hear it ring at each gallon delivered, but that's the way it is. And I'm going to put this back together, haul it up to the garage, and then we're going to see if we can get her running. Okay, let's take a look at this pump now after the power wash. Looking very nice. It's about 90%. I could have spent more time, but unfortunately I'm going to run out of light here soon. I wanted to get on with this project. You can remove this plate and put on a globe holder. There's usually a light socket in there. You can light up an old 50s globe. I'm going to go ahead and pull that off right now. Just 4 screws that hold the plate on. Socket. Look at that, brand new light socket. Now, most guys will rewire their pumps. I don't recommend running the original wiring, but I've never had a problem. I just don't want to be held responsible putting this video out there saying to use the old wiring, but the old wiring honestly is encapsulated in a conduit with tar, so very unlikely it would short out. But again, I'm not recommending it. I'm just letting you know that temporarily I light these pumps up without doing a rewire job. I have an original metal steel globe holder that I'm going to go ahead and mount on here. Well, I did not find an original Chevron globe. I have one, but it's on a pump, so I pulled out this reproduction one. It's nice because it has an aluminum body instead of a plastic Capco body. I prefer that. And overall, it looks real nice. I'm gonna go ahead and change that nozzle. I hooked up an old extension cord to the wiring, and instantly the globe lit up, as well as the lamp above the face. This has been such a fun project. I did it in a timely fashion. All this was done in one afternoon, and this video is basically to put together to inspire all of you to get out, find an old gas pump, and clean it up a little bit. There's no need to do a full restoration. You can have a lot of fun just by cleaning it off and bringing back the original patina paint finish. I've always liked the chevron wings. One of my favorite parts of the Chevron logo. Let's open her up. Still has the window glass in it. It still has the belt that came on it when I purchased the pump. I hooked wires up to the motor. This is the on-off switch right here on the electric motor. She's running. There you have it. I'm going to say this is about a 1955 Tokai Model 39. Complete and ready to be put back into service if somebody desired. I'm not going to take the pump apart and lubricate and clean it and spend all the time, but this gives you an idea of what you can do in one afternoon.
Hi everyone, I'm Lauren Hazelhorst from Hays, Kansas, and this is Gas Pump Garage. Come on in. Wanted to try something different today. This is one of my first pumps I bought. Came from a local station here in Hays that was in business back in the 70s and 80s. And I wanted to see if we could get her going. First thing I did was check the pump here, and the pump was free, so that was a good indication that it might pump. And then I checked the wiring. It has some exposed wires down here, and just took some heat shrink tubing, covered the exposed wires, and then wired it up. And see what I could do to get the lights going. The light switch was sticking at first. I lubricated the switch and got it going, so we got lights. Plumbed up some fittings on the suction line, and we're ready to see if it's going to pump. My favorite part, every gallon. I forgot to mention, this is a Tokai 39, dated 1952. Back when things were built to last. Thanks for watching, everybody.
Thank you, Lauren, for sharing part of your collection with all of us. And thank you for all who have watched this video. If you like this kind of content, Please hit the subscribe button and show your support. There's much more petrol-related content coming your way soon. Until next time, take care and God bless.